Hi, this is Clea with Training for Tech. And in this lesson, we will take a look at a well known feature that we used to have and used to be visible, but is not so much anymore in Windows 11, and it's called System Restore. Now, what System Restore does, it is a great tool that really helps with troubleshooting. If your computer was working fine 3 weeks ago and you have a system restore point, you can revert your computer back to that specific state. You'll keep all of your files and everything that you've saved. The only thing that it will remove will be any new software. So if you have applications you've installed, which sometimes may cause issues, if you have Windows updates and you need to go back before that update was installed, the System Restore is a great feature to do that. I labeled this video old school versus new school because we have a lot of these old school features in Windows 11, but they're not visible to us like they were before. So I'm going to show you how to find and utilize System Restore. First, you click on Start and then Search. And in the search box, type in rstrui.exe. You can also put this in your command prompt. You can put it in the run box, but Windows 11 makes this easy for us who can just type it in the search instead and click on run. Now, in order to run System Restore, you will have to have administrator access. So if you're using a work computer or a computer where you have a limited profile, you'll need to log in as an administrator. So System Restore, System Files and Settings. It tells me no restore points have been created on your computer system drive. That means we don't have anything to restore it to. But since we're utilizing this feature now, what we can do is create a restore point for today. Today, my computer is working fine, so I may want to go in and create the restore point. Doesn't let me go to next here. What I have to do is click on System Protection. And I'll click on that. Now we're under System Properties, so there's more than one way to access this, but I think the command is just the easiest way for me. We have System Restore here. If we click on that, we see no restore points have been created. So what we're going to do is create one. Here we have create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. System protection is on my C drive, which is my hard drive. That's my main drive on my computer, which holds my information and my data. I click on create. And what I'll do is I'll type in the date, June 3rd, 2025. That'll be the restore point label. So it's creating a restore point for today. And just depending on your data or your specifications, creating a restore point may take a few moments. It may take a few minutes. It may take several. Okay, our restore point was created successfully. We're going to click on close. And now if we click on system restore, we have next. So System Restore can help fix problems that may be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. System Restore does not affect any of your documents, pictures, or other personal data. Recently installed programs and drivers might be uninstalled. That's another thing. Drivers are software. So that's one of the things that running System Restore may uninstall if you've updated or if you've installed a driver. So we'll click on next. And here is where we see our restore point. We see the date and time that we created it, the description, which is what we named it, and the type. It's a manual restore point because the computer did not make it automatically. We did. Say, for instance, in 4 weeks, my system is not working right. I can't connect to the internet. It's just behaving a little out of the ordinary. I would open System Restore and click on Next. Once I click on finish, it's going to start running this system restore utility. This utility, depending on your hard drive size and your specifications, it can run for a few minutes or it may run for a half an hour or an hour to restore your computer or see if it can restore your computer. If the restoration is successful, your system will restart and it'll tell you that this system restore has been successful or not. And now that we've created our first restore point, our computer is going to go in and create restore points when everything is working fine. Another thing we can do is we can configure restore settings, manage disk space, and delete restore points. So if we click on configure, we see that system protection is on. And right now, the maximum usage for our restore points or to create these restore points Mine is 99.98 gigabytes. It's currently using only 191.06 megabytes right now. I can preset disk space or usage so it'll create more restore points. But maybe I don't have that much disk space and I just want to keep it here. It's not going to create as many restore points for me as it would if I use more disk space. And also I can delete all the restore points for this drive. If I'm needing to find space or to make more space, I can delete those restore points. For this video, you've learned how to utilize System Restore. You've also learned how to create a restore point and how to run the restore point as well and make changes to your setting. This is Clea with Train Me for Tech and DataCare Computers. Until next time.